Hi, it's Scott, the tree guy. Just doing a gutter cleaning job at Laidley. We've got a tea tree at the front of the property and the leaves are blowing over to the rear. So what we're going to be doing is scraping out the gutter, just using one of these to get the residual leaves out, and then we'll look at flushing it through. So as you can see, that's got a lot of leaf matter in this gutter blocking it up, causing issues with overflowing into the veranda section. So I've just finished doing the initial scrape through of that small gutter section. We had crocus palm from dead leaves blocking the downpipe at the end, and we basically have a whole bucket of this mulch, but because the water's being trapped, it's sitting in the gutter, and that can lead to the gutter rusting a lot quicker, so cleaning those is vitally important. We're gonna give it a quick blow for the loose leaves and then a final flush just to check this downpipe, because it's a veranda section and it's had overflowing issues in the past.